In this video, we're going to cover charity campaigns. It's very simple to set up. So from your new campaign setup, simply by clicking on the new campaign button in the top right, starting a new campaign from scratch or base one on an existing campaign, choose whether single or multi-platform, and then choose whether you would like a public or a direct. So for the sake of example, we're going to choose a public campaign. And as you can see in the next screen, alongside the standard is the charity campaign. So this is a no payment campaign. It's for non-profit and does not involve payment for any of the influencers. So once you've highlighted that, you can simply carry on with the new campaign setup just as before.